Alright, just got the bus all finished up. Well, it's not finished. I got to put it back together and maybe run a wheel here and there. But I did it in single stage. It's super shiny. Did the bottom yesterday and I did the top this morning. I did a brown on the roof so it wouldn't be so hot in the sun. And then I did black around the windows. The black contrasted nice with the jello. That's a metallic yellow, so I'll have to look at that outside and see what it looks like. Should look pretty sweet. But yeah, so it looks completely different. And I used the paint that I had here. I wanted to do that, so I used single stage on it, like I told you, I think. And it came out pretty good. It's concept on the bottom and matrix on the top. Matrix 47 black with the 80 balancer in it to turn it into single stage. But she looks pretty good. Get her unwrapped tomorrow, get it outside, and I'll shoot you another video because it's a little tight in here, so I don't know what you're seeing. But anyway, that's what we got. Just the bus, just a quick video, quick update. I need to call my buddy Andy tonight. Forgot all about you yesterday, Andy. I apologize. I'll call you tonight for sure when Andrew gets home in a half hour or so. But there it is. I've been doing a little bit of stuff. I haven't had to use cars to paint, so I decided to knock this out. And I got a door and a fender for Haley's car, so we'll get that going. But there's a quick shot of the bus. Hope you guys like it. You Volkswagen guys. And I've been thinking about maybe putting the 2110 in here, have a little fun. And it's just going to waste back in the corner there, so what's the worst that could happen, right? Alright guys, it's a terrible video. When I get it outside, I'll definitely show you a better one. It's really tight in their shop lately. I've been trying to get all this stuff done. I don't know what I'm going to do next. Maybe the 73. Or maybe the 73 convertible out back. I need to get it painted. And then I still have the 64 out here. But I need a little more metal work. This one's pretty much ready to paint. And the convertible's ready to paint out back also. It just needs to be sanded and shot. So anyway, hope you guys are doing good. Thanks for checking out the video. And we'll talk to you on the next one.